Rohit Gurunath Sharma, born on 30th April 1987, is the prolific opening batsman of India. He is often known as the Hitman, and without a shadow of doubt, he is one of the leading batsmen in the world. Rohit Sharma is an elegant right-handed batsman and is well known for accumulating big runs in all formats of the game and has accumulated some massive records. His unique ability to clear the boundary at will makes him a lethal force in the world of cricket today. When he bats, the world watches and admires the quality of batsmanship that he possesses. While the fans know a lot about him, there are some unknown facts about the Hitman. Number 1. The Hitman is the only Indian in the history of IPL to pick a hat-trick and score a century in the league. When Rohit used to play for Deccan Chargers during the second season of IPL in the year 2009, he picked up an unbelievable hat-trick against his present team, Mumbai Indians. Soon in 2012, Rohit played an amazing knock of 109 not out against KKR at the Eden Gardens to become the only Indian to pick a hat-trick and score a ton. Number 2. Rohit Sharma's family wasn't well off and they lived under harsh and inclement conditions which eventually saw them shift to a Mumbai locality to stay with their relatives. This was one of the reasons why Rohit picked up the bat from a young age, as money and resources was a major problem for his family. Number 3. Rohit Sharma has scored the most ODI 150s in the history of cricket. Since 2013, Rohit Sharma has been a regular for the Indian team and has 8 150 plus scores in ODI since then. He has been a consistent batsman for India. Bowlers fear him because once Rohit is set on the pitch, he is ready to cause destruction and make his batting count. His scores of 150 or more in ODIs are 264, 209, 208, 171, 162, 159, 152 and 150. Number 4. Rohit Sharma has one of the most lucrative journeys to the 13th season of the Indian Premier League. He is the second player to enter the IPL Moneyball 100 crore salary club. According to the Professional Sports Salary Calculator, Moneyball, he has earned the total IPL salary INR 122 crore. Thus, he stands second in the list of top 10 earners of IPL. Number 5. You must be aware about the big Spanish football league, La Liga. But have you ever thought who is the Indian ambassador of the La Liga? Well, you would be surprised to know it's the Hitman of India. Rohit has always been a big Real Madrid fan and was extremely delighted to be associated with the Spanish league. Since then, he has been invited to see several big matches of La Liga, including the biggest match in the world, El Clasico. Rohit keeps everyone updated about all the big live matches by posting about them on his social media handles. Number 6. Rohit Sharma is the second Indian in history to score a century in the knockout stages of the World Cup. Everyone knows that Rohit Sharma is a big match player. He proved it well during the World Cup quarterfinals against Bangladesh in 2015, where he played a brilliant knock of 137 at the Melbourne Cricket Ground and confirmed the semi-final spot for India. The brilliant knock made him the second Indian cricketer after Sourav Ganguly to score a valuable century at the knockout stage of the World Cup. Number 7. In the year 2019, Rohit Sharma received the ICC ODI Cricketer of the Year award. During the World Cup 2019, Rohit Sharma had switched on his beast mode. He scored the highest runs in the tournament, which included 5 centuries. At the end of the year, he had scored 1,490 runs, which included 7 centuries. This was something out of the world, and no one had ever seen such a beast with the bat in his hand. He also became the only cricketer in the history of the World Cup to score 5 centuries in a single edition of the World Cup. Number 8. His idol in the game is Virender Sehwag, something that explains his style of batting, one that he himself applied. Rohit Sharma is the only player in the history of cricket to score 10 or more sixes in a single match, that too in all formats. Rohit Sharma has always been a big hitter in all formats, and scoring 10 plus sixes in all formats, that too in a single match, proves why he is usually called the Hitman. The Hitman has scored 244 sixes in his ODI career, which is the highest by any Indian and the third highest in the history of cricket. The Hitman just loves sending the ball to the stand. Number 9. Rohit creates history as he led the Mumbai Indians to 5 IPL titles. Under his leadership, Mumbai Indians won the IPL in 2013, 2015, 2017, 2019 and 2020. Rohit Sharma becomes the first ever captain to reach such a milestone. Notably, that's the most by any of the teams in the IPL. Rohit has also won the title with Deccan Chargers back in 2009. Number 10. Everyone knows that Rohit Sharma married Ritika Sajde on December 13, 2015. But have you ever thought how did these two meet? Ritika, who was a sports event manager, used to meet Rohit as a professional and also managed his cricket engagements. Soon their professional relationship turned into friendship, and in no time their friendship turned into love, and the two started dating each other. Finally, the lovebirds got engaged in 2013, and after 2 years they got married. Today the couple are also parenting a lovely daughter, Samira. Number 11. Rohit Sharma is the only cricketer in the history to have scored 3 double centuries in ODI cricket. Can you imagine? 3 double centuries. The Hitman scored his first ever double century against the mighty Australia at Bengaluru when the Hitman played a massive knock of 209. The following year, he struck gold as he went on to play a brilliant knock of 264 against Sri Lanka, which is the highest individual score by any individual in world cricket. The final double century came against Sri Lanka again in 2017 when Rohit played a knock of 208 not out against them. Number 12. Apart from ODI, Rohit Sharma has made a great mark in the test format as he has the best average in home soil, which is of 88.33. This is the best average by an Indian in India in test matches. As far as his overall record is concerned, in 20 innings he has scored 1,325 runs with 600s and 550s. Rohit Sharma is also among the batsmen who have scored a century during their debut match in Test cricket. Rohit scored 177 runs at the Eden Garden Iron debut against the West Indies in November 2013. He takes his batting to another level and loves batting on home soil in whites. All his hundreds in Test cricket have been scored in India itself, including his highest score against South Africa, 212 in 2019. Rohit Sharma has maintained some crazy stats in all formats of cricket. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get more notifications whenever I upload a video. Leave a comment below if you want me to do any more videos on any other cricketers in the world. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.